Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are going to be doing our mini Mondays. I have 3 spicy 5s in here and some 1s. We have a total of $40. So we are going to be saving for some sinking funds here. I'm trying a new setup, kind of a new angle with this camera, so let me know if y'all like it. I don't really need this yet. Okay, so I have 6 different challenges in here. We're gonna roll the die and see how many bills, sorry, I don't know why it took me forever to think of what I was trying to say, how many bills each challenge is gonna get. There's one that got a spicy 5 today. So how's y'all's Monday going? I hope you're having a great day. There's another spicy 5. I hope your start to the week has been good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you know what? I need a challenge for this one. Oh my goodness. What am I thinking? You know, I'm going to put this one in here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, this is gonna go fast today. Okay, the last one is getting these 4 because, well, let's see. 4. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so let's see what all we got today. So challenge number 1. I'm just worried about my head getting in the video because I'm trying this new setup where the angle is a little bit different, so I'm not used to it. I don't know, I'm just paranoid. And also, I think I'm hitting the lamp with my ponytail. But anyways, this challenge is by Tailor Your Budget, and we are adding $1 to it today. So I'll probably have to reconfigure like how my camera is set up because I don't want to keep hitting it. All right, anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7 with this challenge today. So if you're new here to my channel, welcome. On Mondays, we save for our sinking funds for the next month. And at the end of the month, we allocate all this money that we saved to go into different sinking fund categories. So this challenge is a new one by Aisha and Budgets. This was a freebie that she gave us in her Ko-fi, so go check it out. It's for Cinco De Mayo, which is today, hooray. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're gonna cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So we finished this challenge today. I know that was fast, but hey, it works. Let me write the date. So 5, 5, $9. It's because we got that 5 in there, guys. We got that spicy 5. So it went by fast. And I usually only do $1 per icon because I like quick wins. And I cannot lie. It just makes me feel better, like I'm accomplishing more. I know that doesn't make sense, but anyways, this one is by Happy to Save with Hannah. We are adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to save 1 on the side here as a rollover, actually like this. So far we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we have this $1 that we're rolling over. All right, our next challenge is by Savings with Tracy. It says, I don't do Mondays. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's use this purple here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what do you guys have going on this week? Anything crazy? Anything special? This is the last week of my school, like my degree that I'm doing. So I'm very excited about that. I'm finishing up my specialist degree. I I did not sign up to go to graduation because I just have no desire to pay money to wear something stupid and walk across the stage when nobody is going to see me. I just, doesn't matter. So, but I am excited to be done. So with this challenge by Wild Everest, we are saving 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Phew. Oh yeah. So let's see. Let's do 2, 4, 6, 8. And let's do these ones. Okay. So we have $10 going in here. That's crazy, crazy, crazy. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. $22 saved with this one so far. Amazing. So then with my teaching, my kiddos, their school year is winding down as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4 going in here. So we have map testing this week. It's our last week of testing, thank goodness. The kids are over it, and so am I, frankly. And then we have to quickly prepare for our test, our end of the year test, or our end of the unit tests. We have 2 of them, a writing one and a reading one. And then we have our cumulative test where they're going to have to show, that they learned stuff throughout the year. I hope they did. They better have. Or else I don't know what I did all year. But yeah, and then we will be just doing some fun things for the end of the year. So it's getting to be that time of year, guys. It's exciting. I'm ready for the summertime. I'm ready to be on break and have more time to, I don't know, do some organizing around here, do some projects that I've been trying to do for a while. All right, in this challenge right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11 in here. And we are almost done with this one as well. So we finished one challenge today, guys. This Cinco de Mayo challenge is the one that we finished. So we're going to put that in our savings challenge bag right here and call it a day. So that's it for this mini Mondays, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a good start to your week, and I will see y'all tomorrow for Tiny Tuesdays. Bye.